Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your source for honest product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a must-have gadget for anyone who wants to keep their workspace tidy without the hassle. We're talking about the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner, the best desk vacuum cleaner mini rechargeable available in the market right now. Let's kick things off with an overview of this sleek little device. The ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is designed for convenience and efficiency. It's cordless, powered by two Ah batteries, which means no annoying cords to tangle with. Perfect for quick cleanups on your desk, keyboard, or even in your car. As you can see, it's grabbing everything from tiny particles to larger crumbs without any fuss. Its precision nozzle ensures nothing gets left behind. User experience is key, and the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner doesn't disappoint. Customers love its portability and how it simplifies their cleaning routine. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, it's a handy tool to have. Now, how does it stack up against similar products on the market? Unlike other manual vacuums, the ODISTAR offers superior suction power in a compact form. It's designed to be durable and easy to maintain, which sets it apart from its competitors. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a reliable, rechargeable desk vacuum cleaner that's both effective and affordable, the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice. Its sleek design, long battery life, and powerful suction make it a standout in its category. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy cleaning!